What's up, guys? It's your boy Robbie AB here, and I'm back with another video. And I'm just coming out here. So yeah. I haven't done a video in a while because the power went out. So yeah, I'm doing a video now. I wanted to do this video, so I have a giant paper airplane here. I made it a few weeks ago. So yeah, let's see if this thing flies. Ashley, I'm gonna need your help. Oh, Ashley, do that again. Do that again. No, when you did the wheelie. She just had her birthday. No, like the one you did before I said I need your help. Come on. Well, she did it though. I need you to hold this. I need you to hold this. So come up here.
I will help you.
So come up here. So hold the camera like this. And then once I throw it, do that. Okay? Hold it like I taught you. No, it's backwards.
They looked at myself.
So hold it like I taught you. Like that. Best friends. Hold it up. Up. Can you see me? Mhm. Can you see the plane? Mhm. Okay, this is just a test flight. So see if you can see. Did you see the plane? Did you see it? Nah. On the camera? Hold it up then.
There's one on the wall.
On the wall. Where? Okay, Ashley, come on. Come on. What are you doing? Here. Can you stop singing? Hold it like you did before the spotted lantern fly. Wait. Put your hand more up. Ow. Hold it up. Okay, another test flight. See if she can see it. Look it up. I'm looking up. Can you see me? Yep. Plane? Yep. Let's go.
You flew it over. I was looking in the screen. So you didn't fly it in the line of the screen. You threw it over. Like too high.
I need a stool. Okay, Ashley, go on the porch instead. Like stand on the porch. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Me? Uh-huh. Plane? Uh-huh. Last test flight.
Actually, hold that tight so it doesn't fall, please.
Okay, I have the camera on you. You keep flying it over. I didn't even see it.
Ashley, why don't you try following the plane with the camera?
I am.
No, you're not.
I saw her follow that. I saw her follow it.
But it's still like
I'm holding it up as high as I can.
like she can't see up there. Like she's just holding it up. She's not following. She's not looking at it and following it.
Ashley, my arms are tired. Hold it.
Let me do it. Give it to me. You want me to unpause it and record it?
Wait, it was hard?
Is it?
It paused? No, it's recording. Look.
Oh.
Okay. So, hold it. Look. Hold it like this. The camera.
I'm looking at you, Robbie.
Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay. I thought this was gonna fly differently. What is it? For a sec. So tweak with it a little bit. Try fixing the wings. It didn't work too well. But I'm gonna try to go from the back side. See if it works better. Okay. Let's try jumping. Oh, that went way further. Jumping may help. Okay, so guys, if you loved the video, subscribe, comment down below if you want more. See y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out. 619.